the end, we have a happy ending. I'm very happy to be here. I think the club is happy for me. And now I just want to be able to train with the team. I wasn't at home just lying on the couch. I've been working by myself because I cannot train with the team. I've been working hard to, when I'm able to train with the team, be 100% fit. Is my goal. My mentality is that. So I'm working still till the work permission is here. I'm by myself.
Yeah. How is your shape now?
I feel good. Of course, I had the operation almost 2 months ago, but it was like for nothing, just clean it up a little bit my foot. Afterwards, I trained with the national team. At the end of the national team, the World Cup, I was with the team already. I played 2 matches with Espanyol, 2 friendly matches, and here just missing a little bit the ball. I missed my teammates next to me and everything, but I hope when I get here, when I can train with the team, I'll be able to play as soon as possible.
Why did you choose for PSV?
Because I really like the team. It was not a difficult decision for me. Of course, I already said I knew to play against. When I was by my time in AZ, I knew how big was PSV in Holland. I knew the kind of team it was. And right now with Andres, the things he said to me about the teammates, about the trainers, about the staff and everybody, so that helped a lot.
Yeah, is Guardado one of the reasons that you choose for PSV?
Of course, he really helped a lot for me to be here.
I know you as player from AZ. Are you a different player now?
So, yes, I've grown a lot. I was really young when I just came here. I was just 20 years old. I've grown as a person. I've grown as a footballer. I've been 4 years in La Liga playing against the best players of the world. So, of course, that gave me a lot of confidence, a lot of different mentality to play the ball. But I'm happy to be here.
Do you know when you can play for PSV? Will it be Heerenveen? Will it be Feyenoord?
No, that's administration thing. I don't know. I know they are working really hard to get the work permission as soon as possible, and I'm working really hard to get my shape back.
And when you have the permission, you can play?
Hopefully, yes. That will decide Philip.
Last question, will you kick out Bruma or Isemat out of the team?
I don't know. You have to ask Philip. I'm going to do my best every day on the training so he can decide.